Hi friends, welcome to the vlog. I figured it would be a nice thing to do for me, well, to get back into YouTube, would be to vlog today. It's Saturday and we have a good bit of fun stuff we want to do. I'm going to be filming a video tomorrow about simple ways to decorate your house for fall and to just have some fall touches in there. So there's a couple things that I need to pick up for that video. So I'll be going to TJ Maxx probably today, and we want to do a fall bucket list and all kinds of fun stuff. So I just got ready, my hair's all wet, took a shower, and Corey has the kids outside, and we are going to get going and probably grab some coffee. Okay, so I did a little bit of shopping. I went into TJ Maxx and Burlington, but I did not find any hand soap, but I did find a couple cute fall decorations, so I will share that in a little mini haul later. We just got Chick-fil-A for lunch and ate it at a local park, so now we're fixing to get out and walk around a little bit and let the kids run and play. But I wanted to get into the haul portion of this video and show you guys what I found today while we were out. The first thing I found I'm so excited about is a piece of decor for like Halloween from Burlington. I got this gorgeous light up ghost and jack-o'-lantern. It lights up in the bottom, and it pays to ask for a discount. When I lifted him up to check the price, I saw he was set $16.99, and I heard like a clanking noise inside, and I was like, what the heck could be inside of this jack-o'-lantern? Well, I looked, and his first tooth is missing. So and his first tooth was missing, but it's actually inside of the lantern. So I was able to ask for a discount, and because his tooth come off, they gave me a 10% discount on him, and I will be able to hot glue it on or super glue it on. So always ask for a discount if something's chipped or has a piece missing. Actually, if I can't get it to glue on, I'm just going to put some permanent marker on there, black where it is, because you won't even be able to tell that he's missing a tooth. So that was my first find. So excited about that. And then I guess I'll continue with what is from Burlington. I got two little pumpkins from Burlington, and oh, they are glittery. I got this black pumpkin and this velvet silver pumpkin. They were both $4.99, and the best thing about these are they are not breakable. So with the kids, I'm planning on putting one of them on a stand I have in the bathroom, which is down low. So the kids probably will be able to get it and toss it around and stuff, but it's not breakable, so I don't have to worry about them busting these, and they're only $5, so I really loved those. Then I stopped into TJ Maxx, And oh, I did get some beauty items. I got a rose quartz beauty roller, and it was $9.99. And I got this The Balm Fun Size Groovy Blast. It says it's a foaming body scrub with a surprise inside, flower power, and it was only $4.99, which I thought was pretty cool. I've seen the bath bombs. I'm not sure if this must not be a bath bomb. It must be like a body scrub that water activates. I don't know, maybe it'll liquefy, but I thought that would be really cool to try, so I got that. And then I did get a piece of decor. Ray Dunn always gets me. I was actually eyeing this up online, and I'm glad I did not buy it there because you have to pay for shipping. So I'm glad that they had this in the store. It was $19.99, and it's just this little birdhouse, and it says Queen Bee on it with the bumblebee. And I just thought this was so darling, and I will definitely be putting this out in the springtime and using this all spring and summer long. So I'll probably actually put it out now because I love it so much, but it's definitely a spring and summer item. The next two things I found are kids items. My daughter found this little light up neon wall light, and it is a rainbow neon light. So we're gonna try this for her room. I think it'll look really, really cute in there. She's all about unicorns and rainbows now, so I think she's just gonna love this. And this was $12.99. I don't know if you can find them cheaper on Amazon or not, but I thought that $13 sounded like a pretty okay deal to me, and she was with me and wanted it, so it come home with us. And then my son, and he is in love with Curious George, so I picked up this Happy Thanksgiving Curious George book, and it was $5.99. The last place I stopped was the Dollar Tree. We needed supplies for tonight. We're going to be making a fall bucket list with the kids, so I had to pick up stickers and popsicle sticks, and I was looking for fall stickers but did not see anything like that, but I did find these packs. So if you mamas are doing like chore charts or potty training charts, anything, I know my kids love, love, love getting stickers. It is one of their biggest motivating things, and this is a great deal. I don't think I don't think that Walmart even has stickers for this cheap, for this amount. And like I said, they didn't have any kind of fall stickers, which I was really surprised, because it is September, it's mid-September, so I don't know if I just missed all the fall stickers and everybody bought them already, or if because of the world right now they just don't have them. I don't know, but they do have a ton of these kind of stickers, so if you guys are looking for any stickers like this, make sure you hit up the Dollar Tree. And then I got the popsicle sticks for our craft we're doing tonight, and I got a ton of books, like activity workbooks for the kids to do. These are great to have on hand. It has a lot of great activities in there for them, and my daughter is obsessed with trolls. There was a good bit of the trolls ones, so if you guys are looking for the trolls things for your preschoolers, this is perfect for them. My daughter will love this, and it just has things like purple, like they have a purple stripe in their hair color, a purple dress for them, and let's see where Poppy is, because yeah, Poppy is pink, color all of the flowers pink. So I just know my daughter is going to get such a kick out of this one and love it so much. And basically all the books are kind of the same, the alphabet with Disney, so you find the letters, and they have like an activity, and then you can trace the letters and everything. So for $1 for a workbook, you cannot beat that. So definitely check out your Dollar Tree if you need anything like that. That is the end of the haul. So I think we can go outside and see what the kids are doing, and continue with our day.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dancing till